How to know if someone only sent you a snap in your Snapchat. First things first, just open up your Snapchat. After you open your Snapchat, you can go to your chat section right here and see all the snaps that you have received. So right here, there are many misconceptions that say that when you have sent someone sent a snap just to you, it will say something like someone has sent a snap to you, and if someone has sent a snap to everyone, it will say something like someone has sent a snap. So that is a really big misconception, and it does not work that way. The only way you can know if someone only sent you a Snapchat is that when they have mentioned you on their snap, or you can check their snap score. So you can check the snap score by simply tapping on your profile, and right there you will see this snap score, as it says right here, 26. So that is the only way you can know if someone sent you a Snapchat and only to you. So yeah, that is basically it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.